Kabynta bani kemenlang berkikena lemat ki hep ki berit nakaliang jung seng Women Social Welfare Organization lane ke senglong kume New Nongstoiñ henne ke sengi ke khat lai trik unai weng kaliyo ban penlong jingalang nak Kabynta ban Rakhe ke sengi bekerpang jung ki hep ki berit ya ke balatip ru kum ka Children's Day ke ban rebusan ya ke jingalang ban Rakhe ke Children's Day ke ban rebusan layo ban penlong hapo ke market complex jung ke senong New Nongstoiñ ha ke ba Madam AVD Shira ADC ke West Castle District ilalong kum ikongsan harangkat ke jingdon lang ru ba di Sebong District Child Protection Officer ke West Castle District ikong MA Karbhi District Social Welfare Officer ke West Castle District nakaliang jing Madam AVD Shira haba ajing keren kum ikongsan ilong bagi kena school kide bandon ni kathong ke bakham sejrong baru bikin trash tom ban poi sekathong baraka ju kapor ilong ru bagi kena red kilong kum kisentiu ki ban phu itenat kan ban nakaliang jung ba di Sebong ban ikong MA Karbhi haba ajing kren kila pensai sepang ka hok jungki kena dak ba kila ongru bagi kena kide ban yo ka hok ka jungki haki baro kiliang bat kila kren ru halor ki jingya dan ki jing sneu persai ki kena kinong elam ka senglong kume New Nongstoiñ kila yo ru ban sam ki khusnam ki school ki officer kirang basnong barang badong bat kumju ki seng ba pher nalor ki ki he officer ka West Castle District laidon lang ru ba S Rashir sorar ka snong New Nongstoiñ kiri orang ba jong thang ki khot bat nong elam ka senglong kume New Nongstoiñ ki khanda school bat kiwi
Give them wings, let them soar. As little they won't be for very long. Have fun, enjoy the day. Happy Children's Day. Thank you. All of us hold to one another's hands and together sing. They are our hope, they are our future. They are the ones who can change our fate.
Time is meant to end, learn not to end. Learn from yesterday. Live for today, hope for tomorrow. Focus on education and develop the nation.
Children's Day will be tomorrow. We are celebrating an advanced Children's Day today. I'm really glad that I had this privilege. So I do not have much to speak on, but I will come to the present day scenario. I'm really impressed when children of public secondary school recited some poems. If I had wings, I would soar high up. Another is saying, children are the lessons of God. Truly, children all the gifts of God, and we should be thankful to God for giving us children. Think about the childless couple who cannot bear any children, who do not have any children to take care of. So in that respect, we are so fortunate God has given us children. A silent cleaning drive. That was awesome. My gratitude and thankfulness to them. See, children, whoever had participated in that silent act, not only you should clean your school, not only you should take care of your classrooms or the roadside, you should do it from your home itself. The way you had showed us how to remain free, how to maintain the environment, how to maintain everything, how to maintain cleanliness, you should also do the same thing at home. And the children who recited beautiful poems about the Children's Day, you should aim for the skies. If you aim for the skies, you may reach up to the mountains.